A clean and organized space is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It has a profound impact on our mental well-being. Clutter can be a source of stress and anxiety. It bombards our senses with visual noise, making it difficult to relax and feel at peace. When we create a tidy and organized environment, we create a sense of calm and order in our minds. We free ourselves from the weight of our possessions, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. A well-organized space can boost our productivity and creativity. When our surroundings are free from distractions, our minds are free to wander and explore new possibilities. We can think more clearly and work more efficiently. A tidy space is an invitation for joy and inspiration. It is a sanctuary where we can rest, recharge, and reconnect with ourselves. The first step in any transformation is to envision the end result. Take some time to imagine your ideal space. How does it make you feel? What activities do you see yourself doing in this space? Once you have a clear vision, you can start setting realistic goals. Don't try to do everything at once. Start with one area or category at a time. For example, you could start with your closet, then move on to your bookshelf, and so on. Create a plan of action. This might involve decluttering, reorganizing, or even adding new furniture or decor. The key is to have a roadmap to guide you through the process. Decluttering is the heart of any transformation. It's about letting go of what no longer serves us and making space for what brings us joy. The KonMari method trademark encourages you to hold each item in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it. If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. You can donate it, sell it, or discard it responsibly. Remember, letting go of things can be liberating. Once you have decluttered, you can start organizing what's left. Find creative storage solutions. Use drawer dividers, shelves, and boxes to keep things in order. The key is to make it easy to find what you need when you need it. Transforming your space is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a home that supports your well-being and inspires you to live your best life. As you let go of the clutter and create a more organized environment, you may find that you also let go of negative emotions and limiting beliefs. You create space for new opportunities and experiences. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about creating a home that reflects who you are and what you value. So take a deep breath, embrace the journey, and enjoy the transformative power of tidying up.